My favorite product at PixelFLEX is our FLEXThin. One of the best features of FLEXThin is the 16:9 aspect ratio. Most content is built for that aspect ratio. This product is very easy to maintain and very easy to install. It can be installed hanging with headers or installed on a wall. At Podium 1, we installed this on truss.
When you walk in, we've got these awesome sims. We've got supercars all over the place. One of the things that we'll always have up on this wall are races. To do that with a lot of people, we need to have a giant screen that looks incredible. The other side to it is the ease of use and the ease of maintenance, right? So it gets installed very quickly, but more importantly, like if there's ever anything that we need to change, we just simply pull out one section and you put in a new one.
It's front serviceable with a vacuum removal tool. You remove a module and you can access all of the components behind the module or replace the module itself. These are camera ready, and when paired with a production level processor, it's going to have the features that are required for a production environment, and it's going to look great on camera. We have a lot of 2.6 and 1.9 pixel pitch in stock, ready for purchase today.